Hey, Brent Simmons here, and I'm with my good friend Anny, Draginova, and I know it's a mouthful to say, but she's been a member of the Go-Giver Mastermind here in Phoenix. We've done deals together. Just to let you know, she is one of the masterminds behind batch skip tracing, higher offer. They're a powerhouse in the Phoenix area, and they're also helping so many investors and wholesalers all over the nation. So I just want to take a minute and let her tell us a little bit about your background and how the mastermind has helped you as well.
So as far as my background, we started wholesaling about 3 years ago or so. And as far as like the way that the mastermind itself has helped us is the first couple of years we weren't part of it. Once we joined it, I can tell you that my partners and I, we just had like a huge like mental shift. And all of our businesses now that we have, they started from us helping ourselves, and then we went into it for helping others. So that's what it is. And for us doing that, just that mind shift, it has helped us grow so much, and our businesses have probably scaled, I want to say double, but that's not even close.
I think Anny brings up one of the best points is whenever you're focusing on giving to others, you get reciprocity though too, right?
I can't stress how good it's been for us, and just everything that I guess you have done for us, and just putting everyone in that same room, it's helped us grow as a company and as people.
But they've been one of the biggest givers in our community. They put out some of the services that have helped so many, everything from batch skip tracing, collaborating with other wholesalers. We've all helped each other sell deals and stuff in the market. So I really appreciate you taking time and helping us out with this.
No, I appreciate you making this group the mastermind and everything that you've done for us in the community.
Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.